Adidas has unveiled a new third kit for Inter Miami CF, accompanied by a matching apparel collection and a special edition Gazelle sneaker. The clothing line includes a t-shirt, 2 pairs of shorts, and a varsity jacket, all designed in the kit's signature blue, pink, and cream tones. The Gazelle, originally a performance soccer shoe, features a blue suede upper with cream leather 3 stripes, pink Gazelle text on the side, and a white leather heel tab stamped with the Inter Miami emblem. Blue details appear on the laces, tongue, and sockliner, while a pink rubber midsole and outsole complete the look. The apparel mirrors the sneaker's color scheme for a cohesive collection. Inter Miami CF's third kit by Adidas launches June 10, 2025, via Adidas Online and at Inter Miami CF team stores at Chase Stadium and Miami International Airport. The Gazelle sneaker and apparel released June 12, priced at $110.